It up. See, has a smiley face.
Yeah.
I like the ones that break out like that when they come down. They're like.
My arm's getting tired. Here you go, Adrian. Oh my God, this is starting to hurt my head. Usually it never does that. Talk about some big fireworks.
Just think, dude, like this is, what about the fireworks shows in like New York City and stuff like that?
That watching this close. Right, you would just watch them out your apartment window.
Yeah. That you're paying $3,000 a month
You
for.
get a $3,000 view.
Nothing bigger that you couldn't park your car.
Dude, no, you can't. I went and stayed at one in Hell's Kitchen, and it was a shoebox, and it was $3,500 a month. Dude, I'm not joking, dude. I'm talking when you open the front door, it almost touched the couch, and the couch was up against the back wall.
So it was like incredibly small.
Incredibly small. I couldn't believe it.
I love you.
Me too.